I recently became a new dad. My daughter's gonna be 1 year old, and I've been thinking about what kind of school do I wanna send her to? I want her to come to a school like this. You are the future of Maryland, all of you, from the cultures that you come from, right, from the people that you are, and then the amazing things that you aspire to be.
In my job, I travel around the whole country visiting schools, and I heard you have the best students in Maryland. And I came all this way to remind everyone that educators have the most important job in our country because they have the responsibility of preparing all of you for a bright future. And at the Milken Foundation, we don't think educators get enough recognition. That's why 35 years ago, a man named Lowell Milken created a program to honor outstanding educators. The program is called the Milken Educator Award. The Milken Educator Award goes to Dion Jones.
I thank you all. It has been my pride and joy to serve. And what a surprise that they kept from me. And it's hard to keep anything from me. But I am so honored for the work that we continue to do. And every day that I show up and every teacher in this building shows up, every faculty, every support staff, we show up just for you because you are important to us. I could not do this without you. I have seen so much growth in you all. And so you all are a part of this award. I want you to know that. Because where there's no students, there's no Mr. Jones. And so thank you for allowing me the opportunity to be a part of your life and your educational journey. I love you all.